Hi, welcome to this ebuilding tutorial. In this video we'll show you how to associate files to the matter tags. When you click on a matter tag of your model, a window called Databox will open. In this window you can create a gallery with local contents, files you have just uploaded into your folders, or alternatively with external contents such as other models, web pages or other kind of links. If you want to use internal files, you have to click on Create Gallery. Choose the folder and select the files you want to show in the gallery of the selected matter tag. In the second step, you can insert a description with different text formatting possibilities. And in the third one, you can insert a custom link to link to, which will open in an external window. Now you can see the contents in the data box while select the matter tag. You can see if there are contents in a matter tag from the little pencil next to the matter tag. If you want to edit these contents, you have just to click on the pencil, select the folder and act on the files you want to add or remove. In an empty matter tag you can also add an external link. Click on External Contents and insert the URL you want to show, for example a website or an e-commerce. The link must necessarily have the HTTPS security protocol and must allow insert in iframe. With this mode you can visit the whole site without ever leaving the model. Alternatively to a website, you can insert several kinds of URLs, such as link to another matterport model in order to have a model inside a model, or you can insert the link to a photovoltaic dashboard, or even a link to a web radio. Or you can use the link to other types of models such as Kula, BIM available on Autodesk 360, and so on. With ebuilding now you are able to associate many types of contents, internal and external, to the matter tags to truly extend your matterport experience.